वेलकम अगेन। अभी हम आए हैं लक्ष्य डेकोर पे और इनका एक प्रोडक्ट है द रोलिंग स्टोन। तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स के पास लगे हुए हैं। आइए मिलवाते हैं इनके कंपनी के एक मेंबर से, जानते हैं उनके बारे में और उनकी कंपनी के बारे में। हेलो सर।
हाय,
वेलकम टू कबाना इंटीरियर।
थैंक यू।
सर आप थोड़ा सा अपनी कंपनी को और अपने आप को थोड़ा सा इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए पहले।
Okay,
व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम सर?
my name is Pulkit Agrawal. I am the founder and director of this company, and we
good,
founded the product, the Rolling Stone. That is, the marble can be rolled, the stone can be rolled. That is called, so it's called Rolling Stone. So the best part of the product is you can roll over any place. You can roll over the pillar. You can roll over any facade anywhere basically. So that is the best part of it. And here we have it comes around 2 to 3 mm thickness. So that is the best thing. Soon in next 6 months onwards we are also going to come for the flooring also. So that is right now it's for the wall. You can paste over any you can say over the outside wall inside the bathroom, or you can say you can paste over a tile also, or over the you can say waterfall, any place. Nothing is going to be happen because the natural stone. The top is the natural stone, backside is the glass fiber, is a fire resistance, and it's going to be you can paste all over the places without any problem. We have also our own adhesive that is going to be long last for 10 years minimum. This is our display where you can have a waterfall, and you can see that nothing is going to be happen on this.
सर एक चीज़ और, इसमें कितने पैटर्न्स कितने डिज़ाइन मिल जाते हैं हमें?
इस पे right now we have 36 designs, 36 stones we have, but soon we are going to come more.
ओके,
Yeah.
तो कुछ दिखाइए सर पैटर्न डिज़ाइन आपके जो अवेलेबल है अभी।
Sure. Excuse me. We have this thing, the Sylvia. That is Sylvia marble. That is one of the best design. This is a Galaxy, Star Galaxy. This is a sandstone. This is a fire forest, one of the best one, where you can have multiple colors and the forest, how the forest have a fire. And this is our Devli copper. This is the copper kind of thing where you can have a very nice reddish look. This is a Terra Red. This is, if you want, you can go through the reddish kind of thing. There's a lot of designs we have.
ऊपर थिकनेस सर आपने क्या बताया?
2 to 3 mm. This is just 2 to 3 mm thickness.
और इसका
This is a real stone. Over top, backside is a glass fiber, basically.
अगर प्राइस की बात करें सर, किस प्राइस रेंज में?
Basically, MRP of this marble and sand is 299 rupees per square feet with adhesive.
Okay.
And slate and quartz is 249 MRP with adhesive per square feet. This is our mint white sand. Yeah.
Can you achieve curve?
Yes, you can. This is a rolling stone. I can just show you.
Not curve.
Yes, you can roll it like this. Huh? Yes, you can roll it. You can roll it.
I don't want to see the edge.
No, you can roll it. That is going to be.
Wonderful.
Any question sir for this?
No, this is a wonderful product. Only thing is that it has to go to travel down to the clients, you know.
It will. We are just
builders, you know, that's
sure.
the
It will, sir. It will. That is
एंड
what.
मोर सर, आप कुछ और दिखाना चाह रहे थे?
हाँ, we have the adhesive that you can paste it with adhesive.
द रोलिंग स्टोन
Adhesive. Yeah.
ओके, तो ये क्या मतलब कितना कवर करता है
ये
Per
10
kg?
square foot per kg.
10 स्क्वायर
Per kg.
पर केजी कर लेगा।
It can cover 15 square feet also, but we give 10 square feet basically.
ओके सर, ओके।
हाँ, with the free.
तो एक अपने कंपनी का थोड़ा सा एक एड्रेस, वेबसाइट बता दीजिए।
Website, our Instagram profile is the best. The rollingstone.store is our Instagram profile, and you can go through also our store. The rollingstone.store is our website also.
एंड योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर सर?
9560 233 603.